Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be potting up this beautiful Amaryllis. I had seen a video last year on soaking the roots in water before you pot them up. And the previous year I'd cut all the roots off, so I couldn't do that. So this year I left the roots on, I just let them dry out, and I threw them in the big bag full of with like my canna lilies and everything else. So when I decided to pull this out around Christmas time, because I forgot to do it sooner, I could only find the one bulb in there. It's a big bag and there are tons of canna tubers, and it's dark and it's very dusty, and I struggled and I found this one. And so I pulled it out, and it was solid brown, and I pulled it out and I just stuck it in the corner over there for the past month or so, just waiting until I got around to potting it up, and I hadn't yet. And on Sunday, I noticed this, it was like, this one here was about this tall. And I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get this thing in get it potted up. So I just stuck it in this glass with some water. Just the water's down here. It's not really touching the bulb part. It's just where the roots are. So it's growing this much. Like, it's crazy. It's grown like at least probably almost 3 inches in the last 2 days. So it really needs to get potted up. So I have this nice little terracotta pot. There's no drainage holes in it. So I'm just gonna put it in this pot to start with, and then this will sit in there. So that's all we're gonna do real quick. And I only have the one. So I'll find the other one when I find the cannas. So I'll have a lovely Amaryllis blooming in the summer. Oh well, 'tis what it is. I'll use this to set it on for now. So I'm just gonna kind of set it in here gently. You don't really want the soil to come up too high on the pot. You really don't want it to come up anywhere near the crown, because you don't want it to get wet inside all these little layers. So I'm gonna try and, I have to dig a bit of a hole there for those roots. It's got a really nice root system on it. So I don't know if you can see it, starting here, it's got a lot of layers. So it's like an onion. It's got a ton of layers here. So you don't really want any water that you're watering or any of the soil to get into those layers. So you really only want your soil to come up about halfway when you're potting up an Amaryllis. So I might have too much soil in here. Yeah. All right, and then I'm gonna put it in the pot. And now this pot's gonna sit down low inside there a little bit, and so I can add a little bit more soil now that I have that. And now if I want, I can top dress that with some sand or something. Should we do that? I don't really usually do that. I could use some moss or some sand. I have this really pretty purple decor sand that I used in the base of my You guys okay? Sorry about that. Dexter saw a pedestrian. Oh, what was I saying? Okay, so now we're just gonna pour some of this pretty little sand on top. I'm just remembering that this is an orange Amaryllis, and this color's gonna look awful when it blooms, but until then, it will look very nice. I like that. I've never really top dressed my planter before, but you know, I've been watching enough Garden Answer, so that's what she does. So we're just gonna go put this in a nice sunny window, and it won't be too long now, and we're gonna have some blooms. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 flower stalks so far. Very exciting. So once this is done blooming, I will give you update pictures, of course, once it's blooming and as she's growing. I will be chopping back the bloom, and then it's gonna go and spend the summer out in my front planter. And hopefully I will find its friend, and they will get to spend the rest of the summer together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today I'm going to show you, I'm going to pot up my alyssum. So if you took my 2 bulbs and I put them in with my big bag of canna lilies. And I found this one, and I've dug through the other canna, so oh well. So, not canna, Amaryllis. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna start over. We're gonna start over. Through here. No, you have to go around. No going through here. No! No! Hey! Don't go through there! Hey! No running! And knock over the trash. Hey! Zip it! Okay, and I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna dump this water out before I accidentally drink it thinking it's iced tea. Ugh. So, thanks to you.